this is what it's about. Being out just as the sun goes down. Here, let me give you a look. It's just beautiful. And it's so peaceful here. The way the light comes through the grass, it's just gorgeous. So this is a scene that I photographed a number of times. There's a pair of dams down there, little ponds I guess, which look beautiful when the sun's still kissing the tops of these hills over here. But I've already shot that a few times, and I just wanted to see what it would look like here when the sun has actually dipped down behind the mountains over there. So I'm just going to sit here and wait. I'm all set up here with my trusty R5 and the 100 to 400. It's just a brilliant lens, this. So versatile. I thought that I would be shooting landscapes all the time with my 16 to 35 or the 24 to 105 or my 14mm, but no, it seems that I'm shooting with this thing most of the time because it's just fantastic on hillsides and distant scenes and mountains and that sort of stuff. You can compress everything, which is really, really nice, and you can zoom in on different parts of the composition. So I'm just going to stand here and wait until that sun goes down. That's it. Sun's gone down. So now I'll just wait and see if it does anything. I don't think it's going to do anything because, apart from a bit of a nice glow over there on the horizon, there's no cloud cover, which means it's not going to be any reflected light down on the ground. Would have been nice to get some cloud cover to light up this foreground scene here, but that ain't going to happen. But since I'm here and since it's so nice, this is the wonderful thing about shooting landscapes is it really doesn't matter if you get a shot or not. It's just being out here, which is nice, There's no one else out here. I can see a plane coming into Melbourne Airport to land, but I can't even hear it. Just the breeze. It's beautiful. Certainly beats sitting at home, staring at a screen. Although if you're watching this, you're sitting at home staring at a screen. How's that for a paradox? But it is bloody nice here. One day I'm going to get exactly the shot I want here, and I think it's going to have to be at dawn. But until then, it's just nice to be here. Anyway, I think I'll pack the video camera away and just see what happens with this light. I do love that late glow that you get where you've got the shadow of the earth. One of the things I love about shooting at sunset is how the light changes, and this shot here was done probably 15 minutes before the sun went down. The one that I really liked though, the one that is a keeper for me, is this one. Even though I'd love to get rid of that green weed in the foreground by the fence, and I guess I could get rid of that with Photoshop, but I think I'll leave it where it is. I kind of like the muted tones of this one, and the difference in the colour between the high grass in the foreground and the folded grass hills further into the midground. I've shot this before, I guess about half an hour to an hour before sunset, and when the grass was really green, and you can see that on my website, the way the sun has kissed the tops of those hills, those folds in the grass. But I'm going to come back here at dawn because I think with the sun coming from the right-hand side of the frame and touching those hills, it's going to look pretty special. So I'll do a video on that sometime in the future. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.